Hi friends, I'm showing you this Hamigar whiteboard stick. So this is a whiteboard stick that you can put on the wall, or dry erase board sticker for wall. It is a peel and stick whiteboard paper and a self stick removable wallpaper. So this can be used in the home or a office or anywhere you want. So it is a polyvinyl chloride or the PVC material. The dimensions are vary like of the different sizes. Here I have the 6 feet long one, so I can show you that. So you can see like this is a nice glossy thing, and it also comes with a dry marker. So the installation part I will show you. So here like you have to clean your wall first, and then just straighten it up. Peel about 12 inches of backing paper away from the item. So here we are just trying to take out this backing paper and stick it to the wall. This is how it will come. So when you unpeel and you stick to the wall, just mention that you take out the air, anything is trapped. So once you take it out and you take out the air, this will look nice. And then there is a clear plastic coating or the protector on it, so you have to take that out. So you need to take this plastic sheet out as well, and now this is ready to use. Just make sure it sticks well to the wall. And here the kids are riding on it, playing really nice one. It's pretty easy to write on it, and then it's sure. And this is the duster that we have for the cleaning of this, and the cleaning is also very easy. And so it's super sticky, nice whiteboard sheet, just for the fun for the kids, or you can also use it in your office, or you can cut in different sizes and use nice white sheet.